Good morning, titas and titos. Where is my Lini going?
To school.
To school. Show me your bag. Show me your bag. Whoa, so cute. Yeah, it was raining last night. Say hi here first.
Hi. Saturdays.
Saturdays. Today is?
Man, our car is wet.
It is wet. It's okay. It will dry. Up, come on. Cute lang kanyang hair. I love your hair, baby. Baby. Show your mouth, baby. What happened to your lip? What happened to your lip?
I fell down in the bucket, the black one, and I have a lips, and then I bite it.
Yeah, that's right. She fell while she was in the bucket.
And I bite my lips.
That's right. It was bleeding, yeah?
I know.
Right. It's a bit cold today, guys. 22 degrees. That's why she's wearing something warm. It's been raining all night and ang ginaw ng hangin. Okay. Ready? Steady?
Let's go.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's currently 1:17 ng hapon. So, kakatapos lang ng ating lash extensions, guys. It is Friday, so nakita nyo kanina, dinrap ko si Baby Celine sa childcare. Hindi na ako napag-vlog kasi nagmamadali na si mami nyo nakapunta dito. And si Daddy Mike, si kanyang mama, tsaka si Ate Paris, dinrap ko sila kanina sa Paddington para tawag dito, shop, kasi may mga maliliit na shops doon, and also dinala ko sila sa cafe. Ngayon, I'm on my way back to Paddington para pick upin sila. Alam niyo bang very cloudy today? Hindi talaga lumabas si haring araw. It's been raining all night. And medyo maginaw siya. Si mami niyo naka-sleeveless lang. 22 degrees, which is very interesting. Umuulan pala talaga. Kasi it was really hot yesterday. Anyways, ito yung ating pa-outfit for today's video. Yeah, let's go. Sa go. Dito na tayo sa Paddington, guys. And nag-park ako across the road. Ang ating family pala ay nandyan somewhere there. Kumakain sila ng lunch. But then, tingnan nyo. Hello, gorgeous, come on in. Meron ako nakitang shop. So magtingin-tingin muna tayo. Kumakain pa naman sila. This cute. Size 12. Tingnan natin sa loob. Wala akong nabitan doon sa shop. Ang mamahal pa ng mga presyo. So, dito daw sila, kumakain sila ng lunch dito eh. Ulan na, guys. Basa. Tingnan niyo, ang ganda ng view, ano. Ay, nandito pa sila, Ay, naka-jacket, no? Nagiginisi pa rin siya. Ganda ng view dyan, di ba? Lalo na kapag hindi umuulan. Hi, baby! Where's Lola Karen?
Go back to the Red Cross, mate.
Huh?
Go back to the Red Cross. You'll have to look into just look into John's eyes. Right? For a minute. And try and communicate.
5 minutes.
A minute. And just try and communicate.
5 minutes?
A minute. And just communicate through the eyes. Alright, ready? Go. Why are you?
He's smiling like
Come on. Yeah. Can you take us yourself?
You're injured.
What were you thinking? All I could see was like, God, can you all do that again in the camera?
Oh, I can hear it.
How are you?
Okay, Louie, okay.
Hi guys. And you're right. And then I'm open.
You still feel dizzy? Not anymore? Try to sleep lang. Okay? Try to sleep.
I have 2 naps today.
Yeah, I know. But they were short. We had to wake up. Try to sleep now, okay? You can get some more energy. Oh.
Can you not pick up Celine when I'm sleeping?
Yeah, we'll pick Celine up together because we're gonna go to Aldi. Okay? So ako'y aalis na naman ngayon. Pupunta tayo ng post office at nakabenta si mami yung kagabi ng bag online. So, dinap ko lang ang family natin dito sa bahay, guys. Kasi Ate Paris needs some rest. So, hindi tayo nakapag-vlog for a few days. Kasi yung ating mga girls ay hindi masyadong maganda yung pakiramdam. So, nung Tuesday, inaya kami ng friend namin na pumunta ng play center. So, dinala ko yung mga girls natin sa mini bounce. And they had fun, so much fun. Sobrang na-enjoy sila na after namin sa mini bounce, pumunta pa kami ng playground sa shopping center para maglaro ulit. The same night, sumuka sa Ate Paris, guys. Like, sobrang dami niyang sinuka. And sabi niya sa akin, no, I'm not feeling too well, mommy. And sabi ko, baka tired lang kasi nga sa kakalaro, diba? But then, she got up from the bed, uminom ng tubig, guys. And she vomited all over the floor sa carpet pa. So, sobrang nag-alala ako. Kasi baka nakakuha sila ng, alam mo yung bug, tummy bug. Inobserbahan ko lang si Baby Celine kung si Baby Celine ay magsusuka din. So, that night, si Ate Paris lang yung nagsuka. But, in the morning, pagkagising ni Baby Celine, guys, sumuka din siya. Hindi kasing dami ng sinuka ni Ate Paris, pero sumuka din si Baby Celine. So sabi ko, silang dalawa talaga, there's something na nakain nila. Wala naman siguro silang kinain na hindi ko kinain. Kasi nung dumating kami doon, kumain kami ng Vietnamese soup. Kumain kaming 3. Kasi wala ako eh, okay ako. Yung naisip ko lang na kinain nila na hindi ko nakain is yung icy po sa mini bounce na libre ng libre nila kasi I don't know something that day na meron silang palibre ng icy po, but I don't think icy po can cause that. Hindi sila nagsuka ng suka but every kagabi sumuka na naman si Ate Paris. Pumunta siya ng bathroom, hindi niya ako sinabihan, but after niya sumuka, tsaka pa siya pumasok sa sa kwarto, sabi niya, "Mommy, I just vomited." And I can feel na parang ang tawag yung parang wala silang lakas. So if it continues pag ganyan, I'll take them to the doctors. Where are you going, Mom? Oh, they're not coming?
No, I want to go for a walk.
Oh, it's raining. Do you have
I've got my umbrella.
Ah, okay. Alright.
Some exercise.
Okay. Sounds good. Yung mama ni Daddy Mike, pupunta daw siya ng op shop kasi siya ng kanyang mga damit. Tawag ito, magdo-donate siya ng kanyang mga damit kasi naparami na rin yung na-shopping na dito since nung dumating siya. Sabi niya, wala na daw siyang space sa kanyang luggage. Sabi niya, idadalhin na lang daw niya sa op shop para i-donate. Nothing if I don't have you. Pagkagaling ko sa post office, pumunta ako sa shop. At naka-score na naman ako doon, guys. Daddy, look at this. Mom, I went to Winnie's.
Oh, yeah.
I'll take you there tomorrow if you want. Yeah. Because yeah, I'll go back there and
We're going to NFL tomorrow, are we?
huh? Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Look at this. Oh, you like this. Bought 2. Just this.
Oh,
Cute.
cute.
And
That's
it's-
nice.
Brand new. Look at this.
Wow.
For Q, I could not believe it. I said like Q this much, but
Wow.
it says like fabric from Japan. So it's probably, you know, they had it for 80 with a 50% off.
Oh, wow.
It's crazy.
Remember that yellow?
Look at this now.
That's really nice.
Yes.
When we go
It's size 6. Yeah.
what's that? I mean, can I wear that yellow thing tomorrow?
Bob.
Alam, you have gymnastics. This is in size 6, guys. But malaki yung kanyang pagkagawa. But it's very nice. Ayan, Australian brand but says fabric from Japan. And meron pa siyang tag. Tingnan nyo, guys.
Mama, how many dogs?
Original price, guess how much, honey? 535 Australian dollars. Daddy,
Yeah.
do you like it there? Do you like this?
Yeah.
How are you feeling? Good? Better? You're not dizzy? Hopefully you won't vomit anymore.
Okay.
I already bought some.
Good girl.
What are you gonna do with your money, Ati?
Buy some?
Huh?
Buy something?
Come on na. Say hello, boy. Are you gonna take me for a walk now?
Yeah, no, thanks for a walk, but not right now.
Why, 90? You're a big girl. Now, who changed your dress?
I was crying. I just changed.
Yeah, why did you cry?
The birdies.
I know, nice birdies. Why did you cry, Anna?
I was sleeping because I really want this one.
You cried because you really want the dress?
Yeah.
Okay. Come
I
on.
just want it. I don't want to wear it.
Okay. Yeah, that's very nice and new.
That's it. Can I have that later?
With the fur collar.
Can I have that later?
Later. Next Halloween, okay?
Can I be a
Okay, here we
witchy?
go.
Mom, can I be a witchy?
You could be a witchy.
So,
Oh, Mommy, that's mine. That's nice.
Which
Mom,
one?
Mom,
Would you like?
Mom, this is mine.
witch's nails.
Yes, I want that.
That's a lip
No.
gloss, black.
It's long.
Halloween.
Mom, this is mine.
We have to find you some.
This is mine.
That's yours, is it?
Yeah. Oh, I have one that. After
So loud. I know. Remember last time they were cleaning it up?
Crazy.
Oh, yeah, that's one. Yeah, it's definitely Christian Louboutin, Mom.
Really?
Yeah, the brand. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
they
what
were
they
like
try.
1,000. And then
Akala ko yung ilalagay nila dito is pang Halloween. Christmas already! Oh my God! Oh my God, what's that? Oh, God, that's so cute. Ginger. No, it's not. Oh my God, Christmas
all right, pick
trees.
one each, and I'll grab you one.
We
of those.
don't need to buy a Christmas tree. We already saved our tree.
You want one?
Yes, I want it.
All right, I'll get you one. This one?
Yes.
Ooh, ooh.
Wait,
Which one? Do you want one, Paris? One of these little ones? Huh?
Careful, careful, because you might break it.
I won't break it. Yeah, last time we got presents.
Do you want one, Ate?
Yeah.
Okay, grab one. We'll have a look at the. Which one do you want to have a look next, Mom? Was it shoes?
This one.
I've showed you the shoes. That's all I wanted to show you.
I'll get for the
I'll get
same
a harness.
Oh, is it?
And you get your
Look at the big one. They're not. Mom,
Andito kami sa Kmart,
Mom,
guys,
that's
kasi
so
gusto
big.
ng lola nila na
Mom,
bilhin ng
that's so big.
sapatos.
Mom, that's so big.
No, that's your size, honey. Size 6. So, ayan, oh. Tingin-tingin yung sapatos pa more. Wow! It's light. Oh. Stomp.
Can I bring this?
Huh?
Can I bring it to home?
Do you wanna bring it to home?
Yes.
Why?
Because I want to.
You want to? You like it?
Yes. I
Okay.
want to bring it in, and I'll bring it and scare it and after when I sleep.
Are you gonna wear it when you sleep?
I won't.
Okay. Alright. We'll get that one. Okay. Oh, look, Karen is here now. Ate! Mom, we're here, Mom.
Mom, just take
Look,
out
show
this.
the Luna.
Now I remember. Yes, some sandals.
Mom, just
Look
take
what I
off.
found. Look what I found.
Oh my god. Richie! Oh my god.
You wouldn't be too scared.
That looks like you, Lini.
Are you sure you wouldn't be?
Ang saya-saya ko guys because they seem to be alright now. Hopefully hindi na sila magsuka. Ito yung pinabili ni Baby Celine, oh. Are you taking him for a walk, honey? You take Daddy will take Louis for a walk, and then you take him. What's his name? Huh?
Teeny.
Teeny.
What will you name it? Jemima. Yes.
Huh?
It's a girl or boy?
It's boy.
It's not. This? Oh, we could just, Mama. Just chew it. We could just make, we could just say, is it a girl or is it a boy's name?
A boy.
Is it a girl or boy?
Hinihintay namin yung lola nila pumasok ng chemist warehouse.
You can name it.
And then we'll go to Aldi. Bili kami ng something for dinner daw.
You just give me an idea. I'll just give you a name. If I share with you, I can.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. What's that?
Nails?
Nails. Kiss mommy. You play with that one, okay?
Yes.
I-walking muna namin si Louie guys para makapupo. Tingnan nyo. Suot ko tong ating napaka kapal na jacket kasi sobrang ginaw guys. It's been raining kasi. Oh, ayan. Kaming dalawa ni Daddy Mike ang maglalakad kay Louie. Iwan namin yung mga kids dito kay Mama. Kay Mama. Where's Louie? Louie is patiently waiting. Louie boy. Louie boy.
So now we're here in the foyer, and these floors are famous.
Yeah?
They are famous.
Yeah.
These are white floors from Germany.
It's nearly 11 o'clock ng gabi. Can you believe that? It's Friday kasi, kaya yan, okay na late matulog. Kaya bukas, bahala mag-sleep in ba. Do you want more? This? Or do you want to close? Yeah, it's not closing lang. I tried it before. It's loose. Just leave it. Can you put it in the bin, please? Thank you. Stop playing with it. Oh, it's gonna be really sticky, honey. Thank you. And then come to bed now.
hands, but it wasn't even sticky.
Really?
It's not sticky. When over here, but it's not sticky.
Here is Celine's new toy. Ayan ang kanyang puppy. Very sleepy natin, baby. What is this? Can you do like this? You got toothpaste on your lip. Like this. I'm very happy guys kasi hindi na sila nagsuka. Like, in-obserbahan ko lang sila and they seem to be fine. Yeah. Did you have a good day at school today? Yeah? What did you do?
Play?
Play? What did you have for lunch?
Fish.
Crackers! Anyways, guys, I'm going to end the vlog here
Our
now.
food,
Yes.
like, I can eat apple.
Apple?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is apple?
What else?
Leave it. I'll never try. Crackers.
Crackers?
Yeah.
Apple and crackers?
Yes.
That's good, baby.
I didn't eat orange because I didn't like them.
You don't like orange?
Yeah.
Fair enough.
We don't like it. We don't need it.
Anyways, we're going to end the vlog here now, guys. Matutulog na ang pumasok na ang aming king.
Daddy,
We'll just do a quick shout out before we end the
why
vlog.
are you in here?
Shout out to Jojo's Locks Shack. Hello sis, thank you sa pag-comment. A YouTuber from Melbourne, guys. So feel free to also follow her. So maraming mga ganap si Madam sa kanyang YouTube channel. Yeah, can you read this one? Gina Leon.
Jandelinon.
It's Ginalyn De Leon.
Jillian Delion.
Yep. Victoria Baptista. Rosel Flor. Hello. Maadjong gabi. What's wrong, Blancoy? Shout out to Erlinda Basa.
Lini Langit. Yeah, Pelino. Shout out.
Shout out.
Mercy Narito.
Lolita
Lolita.
Lolita La Cuesta. Adonis Honyo.
Esther Mino.
Esther Timwat. Jamila Kawaja. Rosalie Vlog HK. And Angel Wing Australian Pinay.
Dum dum dum.
That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope they enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful. I don't wanna look for Christmas.